Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. You'll agree when I say that we often find that sweet little spot and try to balance out between eating healthy food and trying to gorge onto the exquisite street meals. Today I wish to clock in all your worries and create a quick little stir fry. The name of the recipe, Nutrela Soya with baby corn and bell peppers. Let's begin. This recipe literally is the magic of three beautiful ingredients coming together. Nutrela Soya Chunks, baby corn, and peppers. Let's begin with Nutrela Soya Chunks. So this has a rough texture, and when we add boiled water in it and let it soak for 3 to 5 minutes, the texture becomes soft and spongy. And then I'll squeeze it out. Now this is ready to use. Our Nutrela Soya Chunks are squeezed and ready. Let's keep that aside and quickly move on to baby corn, which is a rich source of fiber. What I'm going to do is cut this into batons, quickly blanch this and keep this also aside. Let's quickly salt the water and add in our batons of baby corn. Precisely a minute in hot water, and then we pull this out and plunge this in ice cold water. Let's move on to cutting bell peppers into batons, an excellent source of vitamins A and C and has antioxidant properties. They hold enormous nutritional value and hence added to our meals. Finally, let's move on to spring onions. Let's cut these similarly. Our vegetables are cut and ready. Let's now move on to stir frying all of these. And for that, let's begin with oil. And today I'm using Nutrela refined sunflower oil. Let's do that. A healthy heart needs omega-6 for its proper functioning, and Nutrela refined sunflower oil has the same. In addition, it also contains natural antioxidants and are fortified with vitamins A and D. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with ginger and garlic paste. Time to add in the bell peppers and along with this, baby corn. Let's follow this up with Nutrela Soya Chunks. A touch of salt and along with this, freshly cracked black pepper. Let's quickly stir fry all of this. The best part about Nutrela Soya Chunks is that it has 52% dhakad protein, is low in fat, has no added chemicals, plus it also takes care of your digestive health. Finally, last but not the least, oyster sauce. Let's add this in a couple of places like so it becomes easier to mix. Let's quickly stir fry all of this. And with this, the stir fry is done and ready. Let's top this up with some spring greens and finally toasted sesame seeds. Ladies and gentlemen, Nutrela Soya, baby corn and bell pepper stir fry is done and ready. For more healthy plates, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get Curried. And for a nutritious way of life and soya recipes, check the Instagram handle mynutrela. Till then, stay safe. Bye for now.